this video, we're going to take a look at how you can check the engine oil level for your Toyota RAV4 2020 to 2025. From time to time, you need to check your engine level oil. If not, you can cause damage to your engine. Okay, so what you want to do is open up the front bonnet. Underneath here there is this lever. Just simply push it to the side to lift up your bonnet, and right at the front, at the center of the engine, is this yellow engine oil lever gouge. Okay, so you want to put your finger or your thumb in there and simply lift it up like so. Do it gently, you don't want to spill all the oil over the place. Turn off the engine while we're doing this and put all the way out. Have the tissue ready. Don't wipe it, but we can wipe it first to give it a good clean, and then we do a reading. Okay, so with this gauge, give it a clean, and then we'll do another reading. Alright, so let's lift it up. And here you can see there are two dots. The top dot is the maximum, and the second dot is the minimum. So anywhere in between is fine. It's best if you have it fill up all the way to the top. And that's it. So that's how you can check the engine oil using this gauge lever right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.